Good morning, everybody. We are back down here at the gold mine. It is Tuesday morning. We're going to do a little bit of maintenance on the excavator today. We've got some grease certs that we're going to put on and grease up some spots that have been squeaking on the excavator. We do have some rain coming in about 10 o'clock, so we don't think we're going to be able to get anything out of here. Now, if the rain is a little bit slow on getting here, I've got a piece of property, some family property that's got an old chain link fence on it. And if we've got enough time, we're gonna go over and take it down, get it out of their way. They're wanting to do some cleanup in that area, and we'll gladly take the scrap. So like I said, we're gonna get the excavator loaded up, take it to the house, do a little PM work on it, and if we've got some time, we're gonna go take down a little bit of chain link fence. Yeah, you don't know your tires are low until you put some weight on it. But we've got a little compressor there. I'm gonna put a little air in my tire. My little old half-ton pickup, it does great. I love this little Toyota. We keep the oil changed on it, keep the fluids in it, and it just keeps it running. But my tires, they sure like to leak. We poke a lot of holes in them down here. Had to get them fixed a couple times. Cool this morning, isn't it?
Yeah, a little chilly.
Let me help you. I'm gonna show you a little hack I saw on YouTube. I didn't believe it, and then I tried it one time. It's not chucked, right?
Yep.
Watch this. It's putting air in it. Is that thing plugged in? That compressor?
It's what it is.
It's putting air in it. Hello, Z. But I think I'll get the chuck so it'll go faster.
Yeah, it's a little faster, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's much faster, but you know the hack is right. It will work. It's just not quick. It will put air in your tire. All right, so here's my thinking. What we want to do now, look right here. This is where we need the grease. Let me get a wrench and we'll back that out, and we'll take one of these grease certs. Where's one at? Let's see. Do you see one?
Well, I was looking
I know there's one up underneath there. But let's take one of those grease certs that we do have and use it to put grease in the places we don't have it. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow that little grease cert right there. And we're going to back out these others and use that grease cert. And that may not be the same size. No, let's get a metric. Let's get a metric on it. And we're going to use that same grease cert that Shorty's got in his hand there and grease all these other fittings. Correcting me?
Kinda.
Oil and
Said
oil and grease are two different things, aren't they?
Right. Oil is a whole lot thinner than
It
grease.
sure is. That made me a little nervous.
Yeah.
It didn't act like it wanted to.
Start.
Yeah, it didn't act like it wanted to start. And I don't want to strip them threads out. Okay, let's put that. Yeah, let's shoot it full of grease. Stick that on there for you. I like this battery powered. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Pull them pliers back against yourself like that. You just knock yourself out. Skies are getting dark.
Yep.
Got blue skies in the east. Gray skies.
West.
Weatherman might be right today, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's barely going on there. Okay. All right, let's put that plug back in there. Think that'll make it stop squeaking?
It'll help it.
Now, is this where I have to change sockets just to get it to go back on there? To tighten it up?
No,
Was that it was the same one? Okay, I can't remember. Yeah, it's the same one. Okay. All right, I'm not going to over tighten. All right, let's find another one. Yeah. Okay. 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 They do, but it's a good time to tighten them up right now while we're doing a little PM on this thing. Well, look, the sun's out and it's black. Turn around and show that camera how black it is to the south of us. And dead still. We're gonna get stormed on.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me do that side. Hour meter. That's 34 hours now.
Way more than that, though, huh?
Yeah, way more.
Yeah.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Say it again, Shorty.
Lightning has been detected within 15 miles of current location.
I ain't heard nothing yet, have you?
My phone just went off a while ago with it.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
It looks black. Are we in tornado watch?
Scattered severe severe storms possible in your area within the next 24 hours.
That's on any given day in Oklahoma.
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
Yeah.
They'll have to be a little more specific.
Yeah. But that was on Channel 6 too.
All right, we got the air hose out. Let's give this thing a... Well, I was just letting the viewers think that you all have, you know, a choice and all that, you know.
Yeah, you know what our choices are? Either get in the truck and go or you're fired.
Now, Shorty.
That's the choices.
That is not true at all. For one, you don't work for me. You work beside me. And I ain't gonna make you do nothing that you won't, that I ain't willing to do myself.
Well, we know that already.
Away. It's too big. The shaft is too big for the hole. Try yours. Too big. It ain't gonna line up. It ain't gonna work. We gotta use something different.
I got a padlock in my shop. I'll get and bring back.
Okay. Well, I guess we're done for now.
All we have to do is pull these two